Right, so we are going to save this file, export this file, and then save it as and package this file. So the three different things. So obviously the first thing, just to save this, just go to Save As. I'm just going to save this on my desktop, for example. Give it a name. So as soon as I save this, it just saves the InDesign file. So for now, I just have the InDesign file. Another, say I want for printing purposes, I need to export this file now. So I go to Adobe PDF presets, or I can go to export. Here I have some different options. I'm just going to do Adobe PDF print. Again, save it to the desktop. Here I'm just going to use the default, the Adobe PDF preset, just the default high quality print. The one thing to pay attention to is where it says export as. I'm exporting these by the default of the pages. For now, that's okay. And let me open this up. And here I have the two pages that I can use these two pages for printing purposes. And I'm going to export this again, but this time, instead of exporting these as pages, I'm going to export these as a spread. So I want to export it so that I see the entire two pages right next to each other, exactly the way it looks in the design. So I'm going to go back to export. I'm going to do this as a spread. I'm going to go to Adobe PDF print, save it. I want to do the high quality print again, except this time where it says export as, instead of pages, I want to do spreads and export this. And now what I should have, instead of the two individual pages, I should now have the spread. And having the two individual pages is great for printing purposes, but if I just want to see what this looks like as one overall presentation, I should export it as a spread. And then the last option is to package this, which essentially what package does is it collects all of your images and fonts and any colors, special color scheme that you've used, and it puts it in one folder. And that way you essentially have that one folder that contains everything. So I just go to File, Package. I should get a pop-up window. It has like the two links. Everything else is okay. I go to Package. And let me save this. That's folder, okay, package it. Make a little window, a little pop-up window that says that it was working. And then here, I have the project one folder. And then within here, it saves it as either a spread or pages, depending what option that I had selected. It saves it has the InDesign file, and it has the links. the actual images that I used. So if you want this, when you save this, if you want this as spreads or as pages, just pay attention to that when you go to package it. Here, select PDF. So because we changed it before, it automatically remembered that setting. I can just do high quality print, and it should export it. I'll do 2. It should export it as individual pages instead of a spread. So here, everything else is the same, the InDesign file, the links, or the images, and then here I have the 2 separate pages. So just pay attention to that, whether you want the pages or if you want the spreads.